Ladies and gents, we're picking up another car. We're going drifting all weekend, so it's gonna be a little bit of drift glamping with the boys. Me, Garen, a lot of Garen's friends basically, but we're picking up a new car. I've done a lot of giveaways in the past. I've not ever done anything that like appeals to a lot of you. I wanna do something that I think everybody can afford to upkeep and drive and have fun with. The next giveaway is gonna be this car picking up today. It's gonna be a grassroots drift car that'll last you all weekend. You can drive to and from an event, and it's gonna be absolutely amazing. So it is live, meaning right now we have 2 giveaways going. So you can win a Supra and or this car. You're entered into winning both. I got a few errands to run, but we're gonna fill up this trailer today. And then I promise we'll start doing the trailer restoration here soon, but man, we've been busy. I've also got another car inside that I can't show you yet. You're gonna see it this week, I promise. I like doing the daily content again. It's nice that I can just film every day, and you guys are always caught up. So welcome to another day in my life. Let's go buy a car. Say bye! I love you! Drifting's cool, but family's way better. Before we head to Oklahoma, I had to stop by and grab my dry sump and all of my belt accessories for my 370Z. I know I haven't made a bunch of videos on that car yet, but we are building an FD spec 370Z, and I'm going to be competing in it next year, and I'm super amped about it. We gotta go drop that off at Nate Hamilton's real quick. He's on the way to Oklahoma for me. Boys, full transparency, I am already 60 grand into this 370Z, and it's not even begun yet. Putting it in perspective for you, how much these dudes gotta put into these cars to compete with them. It's insane. Boys, this is my dry sump. Definitely one of the more expensive things I've ever just bought for the safety of an engine, but worth it. I've got a bunch to do, but I'm gonna have to come back and get this car started soon. We're gonna try and get some content on this. Hopefully next week we can come back and get the LS dry sump on it, and then in the car. We got a lot of everything to do. Plumbing, wiring, all the things. Now it's time to go buy a car. I love my E46, and the only problems I've had with it is with the wagon, it doesn't come in the 3-liter because the M54 B30 is really good, and it doesn't have the 330 rear end. Once you've converted it to a 330i or 330ci, it is the perfect drift car. Today I'm going to buy for grassroots drifting. So stoked. One of you guys is gonna get literally one of the most solid drift cars on the planet. Let's go get it. There we are, dude. In the middle of Tulsa, which for the record, Tulsa is far away from Dallas. There it is. There she is. Here we are, boys. So this is the 330ci. These guys are out of the events that I'm always at in Oklahoma. In fact, this is John. He wins all the things. And this is Andy, who I'm buying the car from. But this is his car, and I just wanted to get another grassroots 330. So my wagon, I'm trying to convert everything literally to this car. Let's check her out, though. It's a little dark. Look at this. Okay, I like yours already better than mine because I was really silly and just cut the crap out of my interior. And we got nav, boys. What? This is sick. I like the way that he did this. That's good. Look, check this out. It's just such a good little thing. I'm gonna be flinging this thing around tomorrow, boys. You ready for that? And it's tuned, right?
Yeah, it's got a tune. So cool part on it is
does it burble?
It's the classic BMW. But if you get annoyed, you can hit the AC button and it all turns off. And AC still works. It's good.
Awesome, dude. This is gonna be a good car. I just took it for a little spin, and I just want you guys to hear one little thing. That's awesome. There's like a foot flame that came out on that last one. So I took this thing out for a street drift last night, and I found out some things about it already. I'm gonna have to be really light on the clutch because it's still got a very stock clutch, and it's got some very ling ping jingling tires. Basically not clutch kick the whole weekend, which is going to be not as desirable for tandeming. Hopping in something that has a crackle tune and freaking knuckle adapters, being able to drive as much as possible is my goal. Let's hop in this pretty much stock E46 and go rip it for the day. Are you good? I'm just gonna say right now, I've probably done the most laps out of anybody today, and the two E46s that are simple are the two that are that are not broken. Everybody working on their car right now. I'm about to put a little bit more oil in it and keep on going. I'm probably gonna do a big entry, so just...
I'll keep distance.
All right. Diff broken, axle broken, something else broken, motor mount broken. Don't know what. I think it's just, but it's like, dude, best grassroots drift car. That was like, I was like, dude, Supras, the R35s, the Lamborghinis, like the Corvettes, those giveaways are cool until you own it and you're like, ah, I can't afford to do anything with this. Seriously, I want to give a good car to one of you guys that you can legitimately enjoy. Of course, we're gonna make it look a little bit better. This is gonna be a giveaway for the boys. I don't care if we make money on this or not, but like, at this point, I wanna give somebody a car that they can actually go out and potentially, just like I did for myself, maybe change somebody's life. Go out and enjoy a car that's super well prepped. Go and get some seat time. Drive to the event, drive all day, and drive back. And that's the idea. So right now you enter into winning both the Supra and the E46. The Supra is going to end before the E46, so obviously the E46 giveaway is going to go till the end of the year or so. Like usual, it's every $5 you spend on 53supply.com, it gets you one entry. But also there are free ways to enter as well. It's in the terms and conditions, you can check that out. It's like a little specific way you have to do it though. I'm just, seriously, I want to put one of you guys in the driver's seat and potentially maybe change your life and have you guys love motorsports like you should, because it's super fun to be in a car that's good. I'm gonna continue driving today. I'll make a full drift day video for the next video and wrap this up. E46, good car, nothing is broke at all, even on stock clutch, solid. My advice for you guys is don't let nothing stop you today, in a good way. Don't let your intrusive or sad thoughts beat you over the head today. And if today wasn't your day, tomorrow could be. Just keep it going. You just never know how good the next day might be. Love you all. Have an amazing day.